In order to set up your system to use Django, it's going to be a little bit different based on what system you're working with, whether it's a Mac or a Windows or Linux. I have setup guides on YouTube that are ready for you to use at any time, and I'll have links below this video or within the class of this video, so you can go to those links directly. They will be updated as installation process is updated, and the only reason I'm referring you over to something like YouTube is because then it can be a central hub, and changing the videos might happen, and that way you can kind of default to that. Of course, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel too to see all the free videos and all that stuff. So now go on here, go into the notes, look for your computer, and then find the related videos for it. Now for Mac, there's just one video. It's about 15 minutes long. That's what it currently is, but again, I might have an updated version at some point. For Windows, it has a full playlist, and this playlist is broken down, and it's not too much longer than the Windows version, or excuse me, the Mac version. And then the Linux version is very short, and that one's pretty easy to set up. Basically, you want to make sure that you have virtual environment installed. That is the main thing, because that's what we're going to be doing next. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, welcome to Try Django and Coding for Entrepreneurs.